Hello. Today we would like to present you a practical example of the advantages of the EX-TEC PM 580 with the certified application structure in the detection of a leakage during the systematic pipe network inspection. For this purpose, our leak detectors rely on the highly efficient combination of Portafit M3 and GIS system Securisat. If gas is detected below 1 meter to a building or cavity, it is mandatory to check if gas enters the building from the outside. To determine whether there is gas in the building, a gas detector with a certified measuring function must be used. This is necessary because gas concentrations that could be potentially dangerous are to be expected. If natural gas accumulates in a room up to the lower explosion limit, LEL for short, an explosion can occur in the presence of an ignition source. The LEL of methane, the main component of natural gas, is 4.4% volume. An acute hazard situation already exists if a pre-alarm threshold of 10 to 20% LEL is exceeded. For this determination, the application Warning Monitoring of Work Area is used. However, in the systematic pipe network check, a concentration of 10 ppm in the room air is already considered as a gas leak. For this, the application structure with a higher sensitivity must be chosen. The EX-TEC PM 580 is the first device on the market to offer a certified measurement function in the structure application. The gas detector explains that he has found gas close to the building and must now determine whether gas has penetrated from the outside. If this is the case, there may be a hazard and immediate action is necessary. Under observation of the measured value, the building is entered. Since gas was found at the basement window during the inspection from the outside, the inspection is extended to the basement. With a gas concentration greater than 10 ppm, this is a gas finding. To ensure that the gas is entering the building from the outside, the source is searched for. This can be done with the same application structure. The highest gas concentration is detected at the house inlet, so it can be safely assumed that the gas enters the basement from the outside. As the gas concentration is below 10% LEL, this is not an acute hazard situation. But safety measures such as ventilation and immediate elimination of the leak in the house connection pipe must be taken. The gas detector notifies the supplier a leak has been located. Let us now look at how to proceed with a device that does not have a certified application structure. For this purpose, our gas detector uses the proven parent of the EX-TEC PM 580, the EX-TEC PM4. With the EX-TEC PM4, only the warning application has a certified measurement function. Thus, this must be selected when entering a building with a potentially hazardous gas concentration. The display is in %LEL with a resolution of 1%, which corresponds to 440 ppm. The gas detector explains again why he has to determine whether there is gas in the building. Upon entering the house, no gas is detected. No gas can also be detected in the basement with the warning application. However, since a gas concentration of 10 ppm is already considered as a gas detection during the systematic pipe network check, the more sensitive application structure must be selected on the device. In order to switch the operational mode, it must be ensured that the device is located in fresh air that is free of natural gas. When switching on, the 0 point is set. Existing gas concentrations could thus reduce the sensitivity and cause false readings. The device is ready for use in the structure application when the measured value stops flashing and the display of 0 ppm is stable. Under observation of the measured value, the building is entered again. Upon entering the basement, a gas finding is revealed. With a more sensitive application structure, the origin of the gas can be determined on the house inlet. The window is open for sufficient ventilation of the room. Now the leak can be classified and relevant measures are initiated. In today's comparison, it becomes clear that the new certified application structure with the EX-TEC PM 580 makes the work easier and more efficient.
Hallo, Nico hier. Ich wollte eine Einschalten melden.